How to find Instagram posts that you have shared that violate the community guidelines. If any day any of you are an Instagram user and you would like to find your post in Instagram that violate the community guidelines but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You have to find the very Instagram application on your mobile device, and after you find it, you have to tap on that. After you tap on that, Instagram application will be launched on your mobile device. After it's launched, now you have to go to your profile like icon on the downside, and then you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to go to the three lines on the top. After you go to the three lines on the top, now you can see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, you have to scroll down until you find the option of help. After you tap on the option of the help, now you have to go to the option of the account status here. And after you go to the option of the account status, you can go to the option of the removed content. And after you tap on the option of removed content, now you have to go to the option of view the affected content. Now after you tap on the option of the view the affected content, you can see the content that affected the community guidelines of the Instagram like this. Likewise, this is the way on how you can see the various kind of posts that has violated the Instagram guidelines. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.